It has been said that one has to grow or develop. The nation should educate its citizens in a proper manner to make it work in the world they are living. To do something, to prove something. But how will it be worthy when we don't have the access to proper education and proper facilities? Who is to blame for the scarcity of few basic resources? If the school itself is not able to nurture its student with the basic facility, then who is going to do it and how? Is there a solution to this problem? And if there is, then how long will it take?
इंजीनियर बनना चाहता हूँ। मेरे को क्रिकेट बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
मैं साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहता हूँ। मैं धोनी बनना चाहता हूँ। मैं पुलिस बनना चाहता हूँ। विराट कोहली बनना चाहता हूँ।
I'm Dr. Jayati Sharma. I am the Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication at Amity School of Communication. My area of specialization is television journalism, and it's been 17 years that I've been into this profession.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. What do you think about the education system, particularly Rajasthan in general?
See, if we talk about education system that is prevailing in India, we can divide it into different categories. That means we have schools, and then we have university, and then we have education that goes beyond university as well, which is skill-based education. But specifically talking about the school education that is in India, we can see that there's a lot of infrastructural need that is there. Schools do require a lot of good teachers and infrastructure, and also the number of schools that is there. I think it is not enough to address the need of specific need of the students who are willing to go to school, especially in rural areas, and also into a little bit of in the urban areas.
But there are a lot of schools which need to be in focus with regarding to infrastructure and facilities. There are still schools with very less support from board or management. We have seen schools where they still sit on the floor with poor lightings and no libraries, whereas the nation's education system has gone way ahead of the digital period. There are many reasons behind. It may be due to the locality, location, less initiative taken by the government or the management, or no funds provided from the government. Let's see what Ekta Foundation School of Ajrol of Rajasthan has to say about the education system.
कभी कभार जो बोर्ड द्वारा छापी गई जो किताबें बुक्स हैं उनमें कई बार त्रुटि आ जाती है, तो उनका हम अदर जो CBSE बोर्ड है या अदर कोई पासबुक वगैरह उनसे मैच करवाते हैं और उन त्रुटियों का पता करके उनको सही करवाते हैं।
देखो, मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जो पेरेंट्स हैं ना वो थोड़े ध्यान नहीं देते हैं बच्चों पे। पेरेंट्स भी थोड़ा हमारे स्कूल वालों का कोऑपरेट करें, साथ दें। अगर वो स्कूल के बराबर अगर पेरेंट्स मेहनत करवाते हैं तो बच्चों में सुधार आ सकता है। या थोड़ी सी कमी पेरेंट्स की है, तो जो भी कुछ है विद्यालय ही करवाता है। पेरेंट्स ये कहे तो भाई आप करो जो कुछ करवाना, यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स साथ नहीं देते हैं।
This is just an example of one school. There may be hundreds of government and private schools who have the same situation as this. So who is responsible for this? Be it the people or the government?
There are numbers of primary and high schools in Rajasthan. Out of this, we don't have the exact figure which has the same situation, but it's true that there will be many in numbers. This may be the reason behind the lack of education system and the main cause of dropout in the rural areas. This will drastically affect the nature of child, which in turn will change the mindset and their dreams. Let's see how the guard has to say about this viewpoint.
मेरे बच्चे जिस स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं उसमें शिक्षा ठीक है, लेकिन इतनी बेटर नहीं है। मैं उससे ज़्यादा बेटर शिक्षा देना चाहता हूँ उनको। प्राइवेट स्कूल में जैसे उसमें थोड़ा टीचर ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं पढ़ाई पे, तो उसमें अच्छी शिक्षा मिल जाती है बच्चों को। गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में क्या है, ना तो टीचर टाइम पे स्कूल में पहुंचते हैं और न ही बच्चों पे इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं। तो अगर मेरे पास पैसा होता तो अच्छी स्कूल में पढ़ाता मैं।
Problem is not with the people or the government, but the problem is with the financial system of this country. If parents have enough money, then they can send their children to a good school.